About this item works on all TVs with HDMI connection 100 240p 50/60 Hz. For use worldwide use, enjoy your favorite Blu-ray disc movies in 720p, 1080i or Full HD 1080p resolution. You can also upscale your DVDs to near HD quality at up to 1080p resolution. Additionally, you can play music files and CDs for a complete entertainment experience. HDMI audio 7.1 channel out, 96/48 kHz, LPCM 5.1 channel out, 192/96/48 kHz, LPCM 2 channel out, 192/96/48 kHz, Dolby True HD bit stream out, DTS HD Master Audio bit stream out. Digital Coaxial Audio DTS Neo 6, DTS bit stream out, Dolby Digital bit stream out, LPCM 2 channel, 96 kHz/24 bit, out XMB, across media bar, GUI Bravia Sync, easy setup, and child lock supports recommendation and subtitles. TV companion with TV side view, second display with iOS device, Android device and PC slideshow with music function, CD and USB, VNR and MNR noise reduction, precision drive, HD disk drive, AV sync, BD, A/B/C, DVD, 01234